Hi, my name's Debbie Pendergrast. I'm Business Development Manager here at Keencut, and I am going to be sample cutting some polyester canvas. This is called production polyester canvas. It's 260 GSM, and I also have some rough text polyester canvas also at 260 GSM. Now I'm going to be test cutting these with the rotary head because that is the best head to cut this type of material with. I'm going to be using the Sabre Series 2. So the Sabre Series 2 actually comes with 3 different types of blade holder. And included in that is actually the rotary head itself. So I'll be starting with the series Sabre 2, and then I will also move on to the Evolution 3 series, and I'll explain exactly what kind of heads we'll cut from that as well. So got my Sabre Series 2. I have installed already the rotary head on the machine. In order to cut this sort of material, because it's quite flexible, you will need a support underneath the rotary head itself, because otherwise the blade will pass down into the cutting groove and you won't get the full support that you need underneath this material. So you will need to use a cutting mat. So if you get your cutting mat of the appropriate size that you would need, this is a demonstration size model. So the Sabre starts at 1 metre in length and goes up to 3 metres in length. Just insert the cutting mat, insert the material underneath the clamp. Make sure that the clamp is down properly. Holding the clamp down with the rotary head, a bit of pressure on the rotary head, and just take it along the material. And as you can see, it just cuts quite happily with the rotary blade. Again, you will need a cutting mat. So the cutting mat needs to be the whole length of the material that you are cutting in order to support that. This is the rough text polyester canvas. So we will do a test cut on this, again with the rotary head, lining the material, a bit of pressure on the rotary head, sliding it across, and then you get your cut. So that cuts really easily on the Sabre. Take this away, and I'm going to now use the Smart Fold. So this is the Evolution 3. It's a high precision machine. It will cut to within 0.2 millimeters over the whole length of the cut. This material will cut with the rotary head on all of the 3 Evolution cutter bars. So the freehand, the bench top, and the Smart Fold. The biggest difference is with the freehand and the bench top, you will again need a cutting mat because you will need some support underneath the material itself so it doesn't collapse. But the Smart Fold actually has integrated into it a cutting strip over the whole length of the machine, so you don't have to go the extra length to have a cutting mat. To access that, I'm going to push this button back through and I access the cutting strip. I have my rotary head, so I can install that quite happily on the machine. Again, I'm getting this is the production polyester canvas, so I will slide that under the machine. Just align that a little bit, push the machine down, bit of pressure, and there we have cut. And we'll do the same thing with the rough text polyester canvas. Again, just inserting it into the machine, snap these down, and there you go. Thanks for watching.